I kept seeing swamp dogs all over social media, so of course I finally had to give them a whirl, and let me tell you right now, these did not disappoint. Making regular hot dogs, giving them a good sear in a cast iron, and then letting them simmer with onions in this tangy Italian dressing. They're so simple but so good. I'm starting with 8 hot dogs, and the first thing I'm going to do is score them. I'm just making shallow diagonal cuts. You don't want to cut all the way through. Once they hit the hot skillet, those little cuts start to open up, and then you get all those browned edges, and that sauce can work its way into all those little nooks and crannies. I've got my cast iron skillet heated over medium-high heat with a little butter, and in go the hot dogs. Give them a few minutes and keep turning them till they get nice color all the way around. Look at those score marks. Once they're nice and brown, remove them from the skillet. And right into that same skillet, we're going to add 1 large sweet onion that we sliced pretty thin. I'm going to give these onions about 4 or 5 minutes. They don't have to be completely cooked because they're going to have plenty more time in our sauce. I've got Italian dressing, a little brown sugar, garlic powder, and if you like a little heat, add a pinch of crushed red pepper. Now our browned hot dogs go right back in with those onions. Just pour that dressing right over everything. Turn your heat down and let these gently simmer uncovered for 10 to 15 minutes. And look at these. I mean, come on. Those scored hot dogs have soaked up all that flavor, but honestly, don't underestimate those onions. They might be one of the best parts.
Now that's ridiculous.
Make these swamp dogs. You will not be disappointed.